So the AC's not working.
Yeah.
You leave your child.
If they open it, we don't.
You understand how hot it is? Well, we got the call minutes ago, so it was long enough for her to be sweating. Okay, why was your baby in the car?
Because she's not wearing a shoe on.
What?
She's not wearing a shoe on.
On August 8th, 2024, officers with the DeLand Police Department in Florida responded to a shopping plaza after receiving a report of an unattended child inside a parked vehicle. Upon arrival, they discovered a 3-month-old infant alone in the car, crying and sweating. The air conditioning was not functioning. The mother had gone inside a nearby store to shop. Surveillance footage later confirmed the child had been left unattended for approximately 25 minutes in the Florida summer heat without climate control.
Okay, why was your baby in the car?
Because she's not wearing a shoe on.
What?
She's not wearing a shoe on.
You can't leave your child in the car.
Yeah, I can't care myself. I'm pranking. You can't care all.
Okay, well, you should have left one at home?
Okay, I'll put it down and car on.
Okay, you still can't. Come back over here. If you want to.
Oh, yeah, come here. Right here, you do something.
Okay. Is the car running right now?
Yeah, he's running.
If you want to put them just inside, does it have AC?
Yeah, I'll put it with you down.
Okay, if you want to put them inside, but I'm going to have you stand out here with me.
He's not working though. So I want to put it with you down.
So the AC's not working.
Yeah.
You leave your child.
If they open it, we don't.
You understand how hot it is?
And I'll put it down with the air down.
Would you sit in a car with no air?
Actually, trying.
Would you leave so you left your
I've been in this too long. I should got here.
Well, we got the call minutes ago, so it was long enough for her to be sweating and people seeing that the child was in there.
I ain't been there 3 minutes.
Is there anybody you can call to come to like get the kids?
Huh?
Is there anybody else you can call, a family member?
Yeah, my mama.
Okay, can you have her come this way?
What's wrong?
We just want someone with the kids.
You not going to town?
I'm sorry?
You not going to town?
We're still investigating, but we just want to have your mom call because does she have a car with AC? And she could transport the kids home?
Yeah, how long be here right now?
I'm sorry?
How long be here right now?
How long?
Yeah.
Probably a while. We're still investigating. We have a lot of people to talk to. I guess the car doesn't have these family. Trying to think where.
No, there's nowhere out here.
I know.
No shade anywhere.
No.
Oh.
Y'all gonna be here in it? Make sure you can sit in there with her.
If they will allow it,
Okay.
just because there's no AC in the car. Okay, thank you.
She's speaking out of the mic?
I don't.
No.
No.
I've been here about 4 minutes.
For 4 minutes?
Yeah.
You speak another language?
English.
English?
Just
yeah,
English?
I'm down.
Oh, okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
I don't know sign language.
Yeah, I don't know sign language.
I read nothing.
You read lips?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So you just went in for about 4 minutes, left him in the car, but the AC doesn't work that great?
Well, then I'll read you down. You call on in.
She left the man with the car running.
She took off.
With the windows down, so.
Yeah. She took the other kids in, but not the one.
Also, just the little girls in the car? Oh, what's
Yeah.
else y'all did? Just trying to find somewhere to get them some AC.
Can they sit in one of these squad cars? I mean, they can sit in the back. Are they taking it?
So I only have the back seat. I'm gonna see if my SARS might pull up and possibly, yeah, to put just because I don't have. I don't mind them sitting. I just don't, if they press buttons, I have to
So
turn.
they can sit in the back seat too and roll the window down, open your center divider, and let the air blow.
Okay.
That's what I'm advising you that ladder 42 has been dispatched to an emergency CVA stroke. The lamp, the guard's back now.
She's on the phone with mom right now.
Okay.
Okay, just speak to her.
Huh? Your speaker.
Oh, hello.
Hello, ma'am. Are you able to come up here for, just so we could get the kids transported in a vehicle with AC?
Yeah, I know her AC went out,
Oh.
and the mechanic was supposed to fix it, and she called him to fix it, and he did not fix it. But she called me about it this morning.
Can I hold the phone real quick? Okay, yeah, so the issue is that she left the child in the car. So are you able to come up to Bell's Outlet in DeLand? Right now we're still investigating, but we do need a family member here.
Okay, I'm going to call.
You said you're in DeLand? Wait. About how long will it be? Okay. Is there another family member that can come that's closer, or? Okay, yeah, if you could start heading this way, that would be great. Okay, thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You say bye? I gotta go. It's nice meeting you. Bye. Bye.
Heading towards an attempted suicide.
I copy. Alrighty. Does your mom have car seats?
We got here literally like the same time you did. So when we get information, we'll be able to tell you, all right?
Okay, yeah, she told me that you all are looking at the camera before you all got here.
Our
so
sergeant is in there doing that.
Yeah, you're supposed to be looking at her before they arrest her. Like, why is they arresting her if they
because they did.
seen
Yep,
the camera?
he did see the camera. He's in there getting a statement or something, and then he radioed back to us. Yeah.
Okay.
Want to help her with the. She found out why that it was. When she found out that she left her grandbaby in the car in the inside, she was pretty much like, I can't believe it. You know, like her ass. Like I'm a wife her. Can't believe she did that. All that. So, depending on the information here, we speculate. There's the misdemeanor charge and there's the felony charge. And that one's a 316 and the other's like...
Well, the 316, I'm looking more at child endangerment, child neglect.
Yes, sir.
I've just got to look at, because the verbiage on them is very similar. I'm going to grab my book and look.
Yes, sir. Because the 15-minute thing, that's the misdemeanor 316 statute.
And she's getting a citation for leaving a vehicle unattended.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, 100%. We'll get that.
This incident implicates two separate Florida statutes. The first is Section 316.6135, which governs leaving children unattended in motor vehicles. That statute contains two distinct provisions. Paragraph A prohibits leaving a child under 6 unattended for more than 15 minutes. Paragraph B prohibits leaving a child unattended for any duration if the child's health is in danger or the child appears in distress. The distinction matters. Paragraph A is a second-degree misdemeanor. Paragraph B is a non-criminal traffic infraction. However, if the violation causes great bodily harm, it escalates to a third-degree felony. The second and more serious statute is Section 827.03, child abuse, aggravated abuse, and neglect. Under this provision, culpable negligence in the care of a child constitutes a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Culpable negligence under Florida law requires conduct demonstrating an utter disregard for the safety of others. The question becomes whether leaving a 3-month-old in a vehicle without air conditioning during August in Florida meets that threshold. The medical evidence is unambiguous. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, a vehicle's interior temperature can rise 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. An infant's body heats 3 to 5 times faster than an adult's. Heat stroke begins at a core body temperature of 104 degrees. Death occurs at 107. For a 3-month-old with an underdeveloped thermoregulatory system, this timeline compresses dramatically.
I'm going to ask one more time. Do you have anything that's going to poke, stick me, any knives, anything? No? So if I get stick, you know that. Can I have you put your chest on the car? Then place your chest on the car. What's that?
They're not taking her yet, right?
Why? You need to.
I need to talk to her, and then I need some stuff from her because, you know, all her kids' stuff is at her place. And
Okay.
I don't have nothing.
Here's these are your kids' water.
Okay, thank you.
I don't want to
Okay. Okay.
So do you want us to roll up the windows and give your mom? Take care of it. She'll take care of it? Mom. Okay.
Okay. Nobody called.
Oh. She just said her mom will take care of it. Okay. I'll let mom know then. Is she deaf? Yeah. Okay. Well, somewhat, I guess, because she answers me when she wants to. But now, want to put that in there?
Hey, give me 1 second. I'm gonna send you an NDC message. Here.
Okay. We got mom's info.
I ran the tag.
Okay.
I didn't get her ID or anything.
Perfect. Alright.
We'll make it fine.
It just depends on what degree of charge we give her. Right now, we're looking at child neglect and possibly abuse. So I'm just waiting for my sergeant. We're getting camera footage, but we're going to go ahead and take her and start getting everything ready for to take her out to jail.
No.
Right? And then her, sorry. What store is it in? It's in Dollar Tree. Okay, because I'm going to get the video now. Oh, okay.
The officer's response demonstrates strong procedural discipline. Rather than rushing to arrest, they prioritized the child's immediate safety, coordinated care, logistics, and gathered objective evidence before making a custody determination. They reviewed surveillance footage from the business to establish an exact timeline, 25 minutes, rather than relying on estimates. This evidence-based approach strengthens any resulting prosecution. The officers also demonstrated awareness of the mother's hearing impairment, adjusting their communication by facing her directly and speaking clearly. This accommodation reflects proper training in interactions with individuals who have disabilities. Before arresting, officers contacted the grandmother to arrange custody of the children and coordinated with the Department of Children and Families. This dual-focus enforcement and child welfare is consistent with the mandate under Section 316.6135, subsection 7. The arrest itself was conducted at the lowest level of the use of force continuum. The officer performed a standard safety inquiry, and the mother complied without resistance. No physical force was necessary beyond standard handcuffing. The officer's discussion of applicable charges reveals legal sophistication. They correctly distinguished between the misdemeanor traffic offense under Section 316 and the felony child neglect charge under Section 827, ultimately pursuing the more serious charge based on the totality of circumstances. The constitutional framework supports the officer's actions throughout. Under Brigham City v. Stewart, decided by the Supreme Court in 2006, officers may act without a warrant when they reasonably believe a person needs emergency aid. A distressed infant in a hot vehicle without air conditioning constitutes a textbook exigent circumstance. The officer's intervention was not only legally permissible, it was legally required. The mother's statements during the encounter were spontaneous and voluntary, made before any custodial interrogation. Under Miranda v. Arizona, these statements are fully admissible because they were not the product of police questioning while in custody. The reasonableness of the officer's overall response is evaluated under Graham versus Connor. Judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight, every action taken was proportionate and appropriate. This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. The officers receive a grade of A-. Their response was legally sound, tactically competent, and marked by genuine concern for the children's welfare. They gathered evidence methodically, accommodated the mother's disability, coordinated family custody, and executed the arrest with minimal force. The minor deduction reflects an opportunity for a more structured advisement to the mother regarding her legal exposure before proceeding with questioning. Overall, this represents a strong example of professional child endangerment response. The mother receives a grade of D. Her decision to leave a 3-month-old infant in a vehicle without functioning air conditioning during extreme summer heat to go shopping represents a serious failure of parental judgment. Her stated justification, that the child was not wearing shoes, provides no legal defense. She took older children into the store while leaving the youngest and most vulnerable child behind. She minimized the duration and danger when confronted. The child's survival without serious injury is attributable to bystander intervention and responsive law enforcement, not to any protective measure she took. To her credit, she cooperated with the arrest, did not physically resist, and facilitated contact with her mother for the children's care. These factors prevent a lower grade, but do not offset the severity of the underlying conduct. There are critical lessons to draw from this incident. First, there is no safe amount of time to leave a child unattended in a vehicle. Florida law recognizes this. If a child's health is in danger, even 1 minute violates the statute. The 15-minute threshold applies only when no danger exists. Second, a non-functioning air conditioning system in a parked car during summer heat transforms a traffic infraction into a potential felony. Environmental conditions are not an afterthought. They are a central element of the legal analysis. Third, the officer's approach in this case should serve as a training model, prioritizing child safety, gathering objective evidence, accommodating disabilities, and coordinating family care before completing an arrest. This is the standard. Fourth, bystanders who report these situations save lives. The call that initiated this response may have prevented a tragedy. Under Florida law, any person may call law enforcement when they observe a child in a dangerous vehicle situation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.